functions entrusted to me as Secretary General of the United Nations.
Gikuo kia wari Mwandiki Munene wa urumwe wa mabururi UN Kofi Annan itigite muingi wa thina kimako kinene kuumana na igweta riake undu umwe na maundu maria anakinyaniria mabururi-ini matiganite hari kugacirithia thayu. Annan uria waciarirwo kuma bururi-ini wa Ghana kuri tariki 8 mweri wa 4 mwaka wa 1938 ahurukire kiroko kia umuthi bururi-ini wa Switzerland thutha wa ndwari ya ihinda inini kuria kuringana na ndumiriri kuma kuri family yake. Mutumia wake Nane na ciana ciake Ama, Kojo na Nina marari nake ihinda-ini riake ria muthia. Ndumiriri iyo igathie na mbere gutugiria muturire wa Annan ikiuga egutura aririkanagwo thi yothe ni wiheani wake undu umwe na aria mararutaga wira na uruhonge-ini rwa UN kuria rikiriirie kuga egutura ari ngoro-ini ciao. Kofi Annan niwe mundu wa mbere kuma gitaro-ini kia Afrika kwa murota Mwandiki Munene wa UN kuria atungatire kuma mwaka-ini wa 1997 nginyagia mwaka wa 2006 ta Mwandiki Munene wa UN wa 7. Na kuri mwaka-ini wa 2001 niguo Annan atugirwo na ngerenwa ya thayu ya Nobel ari ta njira ya gukũrana wiheani wake hari gutungatira muingi wa thi.
Peace must be sought above all because it is the condition for every member of the human family to live a life of dignity and security.
Guku bururi-ini Annan egutura ari kiririkano gia thayu na urumwe kona niwe mundu uria wahonokirie bururi wa Kenya kumana na kuhaguka kurumirira ngui iria ciumiririe thutha wa githurano kia mwaka wa 2007. Kofi Annan niwe wanyitire itemi inene hari kurehe hamwe president wa tene Mwai Kibaki na uria wari mung'ethaniri wake Raila Odinga. Undu uyu gikindirwo ni ngirimiti ya kumbwo gwa thirikari ya hamwe na iria yatongoragio ni Mwai Kibaki ta mutongoria wa bururi nake Raila Odinga ari ta prime minister.
Today we have reached an important stage in the post. But the journey is far from over. In fact, it is only beginning. The real challenge now is for President Kibaki and Honorable Raila Odinga to work together to heal and reconcile this nation, working jointly to implement the reform agenda on which they have agreed, and sustaining the effort until the job is done.
Gukinyanira kundu uyu nikuo gwatigire Annan endetwo muno ni Akenya aingi. Kona mwaka-ini wa 2008 riboti imwe yarekereirio ni gikundi kimwe gia kungania mawoni yonanirie Annan ta mundu uria wari na ngumo nene muno guku bururi-ini.
In all successful negotiations, there is give and take. Invariably, some supporters on each side feel that their negotiators gave too much. To those people in Kenya, I would say this: compromise was necessary for the survival of this country. Support this agreement, for it is the key to the unity of Kenya.
Nona thegia watawa gukorwo muhoreire Kofi Annan ciugo cia motaro na kumiriria mawiko make ma kweheana utungata-ini wa muingi na guthaitira thayu gatagati ka nduriri na mabururi matiganite igutuma ature ngoro-ini na aririkanagwo ni muingi wa thi yothe. Kofi Annan uromama kwega kuraga. Ngiribotera Kameme TV njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.